Hello and welcome back to our news channel. Students, today's episode is packed with two powerful topics that affect every single person listening this podcast. So from leaders around the world to students in school, these two topics are quite important. First, we will talk about a brand new global treaty that could change how the world fights pandemics, and after that, we are zooming in on something closer to home. Actually, something that's right behind your head, your neck. Okay. So, yep, we are diving into the growing health problem called text neck. So, sit back, or even better, sit up straight, and let's get started. Students, let's rewind to 2020. Remember COVID 19? Of course, you do, right? So, schools shut down, hospitals filled up, and the entire world hit pause. But behind the scenes, countries were struggling to cooperate. Some countries had too many vaccines, others had none. Rich nations, jo the, they ordered millions of doses, while poor countries, they actually waited in long lines or never get enough. They never got enough. राइट एक स्टडी हुई थी एज पर द नेचर ओके एंड according to this study it said over a million lives could have been saved if vaccines had been shared fairly अगर वैक्सीन फेयरली शेयर किया हुआ होता तो 7 it could have saved million over a million lives. Okay, so that's a heartbreaking number. And this made experts and world leaders realize that we need a plan. So, not just for COVID 19, but for the next pandemic. Because, yes, it could happen again. And so the idea of a global pandemic treaty was born. Now, fast forward to April 2025. After more than 3 years of negotiations, okay, the World Health Organization finally agreed on a draft treaty. And this treaty is only the second legally binding agreement in WHO's 75 year history में पिछले 75 year history में ये second legally binding agreement है. The first was back in 2003 about tobacco control. ओके सो व्हाट्स इनसाइड दिस न्यू ट्रीटी क्या क्या है क्या क्या प्रोविजंस है जिसके बारे में थोड़ा सा समझते हैं तो सबसे पहले क्या कहा गया है कि there's going to be a system called pathogen access and benefit sharing. Okay, so pathogen access and benefit sharing इसका क्या मतलब है कि अगर एक कंट्री में कोई भी न्यू वायरस या डिजीज डिस्कवर होता है so they will share the samples and information. In return, pharmaceutical companies must share vaccines, drugs and diagnostics more fairly. Okay, तो ये तो पहला प्रोविजन है. और क्या कही बात इसमें ट्रीटी में क्या बात कही गई है कि 10% रूल. So what is 10% rule? That companies will have to give 10% of their products like vaccines, tests, medicines to WHO for free of cost. And another 10% will be supplied at affordable prices, especially for countries that can't afford them. ठीक है. और थर्ड बात क्या कही गई है टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर की बात की गई है क्यों क्योंकि कंट्रीज ने ये कहा है कि वी विल आल्सो शेयर टेक्नोलॉजी एंड नॉलेज टू हेल्प अदर नेशंस बिल्ड देयर ओन वैक्सीन्स और मेडिसिन क्योंकि सबके पास नहीं है टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है बहुत सारे कंट्रीज ऐसे भी हैं जो अंडर डेवलप्ड है उनके पास टेक्नोलॉजी का एक्सेस नहीं है नॉलेज अवेलेबल नहीं है एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है तो उन कंट्रीज की हेल्प प्रोवाइड कराने के लिए भी इसमें बात कही गई है so think of it like teaching someone to fish instead of just, giving them a fish. Then we have public funded research conditions. So if a government funds vaccine research, even in universities or private companies, they must make sure the final product is shared fairly during a पैंडेमिक, तो पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे जो भी प्रोडक्ट बनाया गया है उसको फेयरली शेयर किया गया. नाउ this sounds great. This whole treaty sounds great, right? But it's not the perfect. Because some experts are saying that the treaty doesn't go far enough. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों कहा गया? See, ट्रीटी ने क्या कहा? ट्रीटी के अंदर क्या लिखा हुआ है कि WHO cannot control or force countries to do anything. So it clearly says WHO cannot change any country's law or order them around. Okay? So if a country refuses to share vaccines, the WHO can't stop them. Okay? तो अगर कोई कंट्री ने जैसे मना कर दिया कि नहीं जी हम तो नहीं शेयर करेंगे, तो WHO उनको रोक नहीं सकता. Okay? And WHO also can't impose lockdowns, travel bans, or even vaccine rules. So it's more like a coach than a referee. ठीक है, तो ये तो एक इशू है. और दूसरी क्या बात है कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ने क्या कहा है कि वो इस ट्रीटी को साइन नहीं करेंगे. तो यूएस डिडंट साइन द ट्रीटी. And why does that matter? Because US is a major producer of vaccines and medicines. So without it, the treaty feels incomplete, like building a car without an engine. And experts are saying that absence of the US leaves a gaping hole. And that's how one professor from, you know, Georgetown University actually put it. कि यूएस के बिना तो ये इनकम्प्लीट है ट्रीटी. लेकिन फ्लॉज के साथ साथ स्टिल दिस ट्रीटी इज बीइंग कॉल्ड अ हिस्टोरिक स्टेप. क्यों? क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ है दैट कंट्रीज हैव कम टुगेदर एंड दे अग्रीड ऑन पैंडेमिक रूल्स, एंड दैट शोज होप. Okay, that even after such a tough global event, nations are learning to work together. So it's like creating a group project after a failed test. And that brings us to our next topic. Okay, what is text neck? Text neck क्या है? Now, have you ever stared at your phone for hours only to feel a dull ache in your neck or even your shoulder? So that might be text neck, and it's a health problem caused by looking down at phones and devices for a long time, especially अगर आपका bad posture है तो. Okay, तो एक स्पाइन सर्जन है, उन्होंने क्या कहा है? He explained that this problem is rising fast and people are reporting neck pain, headaches, shoulder stiffness, and in serious cases even numbness in their arms. Arms में एकदम numbness हो जाता है. Okay, see, अगर हम बॉडी पोस्चर की बात करते हैं, तो इफ यू आर एट अ न्यूट्रल पोजीशन, योर head weighs around 10 to 12 pounds. Okay, but when you tilt your head forward, so at like 15 degree, your neck feels 27 pounds, and at 30 degree it's 40 pounds, and at 60 degree it's 60 pounds. So that's like carrying a small child on your neck all day. अगर आप अपने हेड को 15 डिग्री एंगल से टिल्ट करते हो, तो वही जो 10 to 12 वाला जो आपका हेड है, it feels 27 pounds to your neck. ओके, और जैसे जैसे वो एंगल और टिल्ट होता जाता है उतना हैवी नेक को बेयर करना पड़ता है. ओके, so that's what many of us do. We stare down at our phones, books, or even laptops for hours every day. अब इससे क्या होगा? ओवर टाइम क्या होगा? ओवर टाइम हमारी जो स्पाइन कर्वेचर है वो फ्लैटन होना शुरू हो जाएगा. ओके, ओल्ड एज में ऑर्थराइटिस हो सकता है, डिस्कम्प्रेशन हो सकता है, इवन नर्व डैमेज भी हो सकता है. सो इट्स लाइक बेंडिंग अ मेटल रॉड अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, so what will happen? It will lose shape, है ना? तो एक स्टोरी इसमें मेंशन किया गया है, एक केस स्टडी मेंशन किया गया है. A young IT professional, he went to the hospital with severe neck pain, and that pain actually traveled down his arm. So he couldn't even lift his wrist or grip objects properly. And an MRI showed that C56, C5s, and C6 disc pressing on a nerve. So he needed spinal injury, he needed spinal surgery, and doctors removed the damaged disc and replaced it with an artificial one. Luckily, he recovered quickly and returned to work in a week. But here's the thing, not everyone gets this lucky, and not everyone wants surgery. है ना? So, prevention is always better than cure. Prevention is way better. होने ही नहीं दो पहले ही, राइट? नाउ अब क्या क्या प्रिवेंटिव मेजर क्या क्या है जो हम कर सकते हैं टू अवॉइड हैविंग टेक्स्ट नेक. So first of all, you need to sit straight. There are certain small, simple changes, as it is mentioned in this news article, that even small changes in lifestyle can often be part of the initial course of treatment. सबसे पहले क्या है कि straight बैठना है and hold your phone at eye level. Don't bend your neck downward. अपना जो neck है उसको downward bend नहीं करना है. And take break. Every 20 to 30 minutes, just stretch your neck and shoulders. Okay? Neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and light exercises will help you a lot. Okay, because we are living in a digital world and we need laptops and mobile phone to operate, right? But आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो, जैसे एवरी 20 to 30 मिनट्स में आप नेक स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो, शोल्डर स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो, ओके, नेक रोल एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो, स्मॉल स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज भी, इट्स गोना हेल्प यू अलॉट. ओके, एंड your chair, desk and laptop placement is also matter. ओके, तो उसका प्लेसमेंट क्या है, ज्यादा आपको बेंड तो नहीं होना पड़ रहा. ऑल राइट, एंड यू ऑल्सो नीड टू कट डाउन स्क्रीन टाइम. सी, फॉर दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज फोन टाइमर्स, है ना? इसीलिए हम मेंटोरशिप में भी कहते हैं कि ऑफलाइन हॉबीज भी होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दीज स्मॉल हैबिट्स कैन प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम बिग प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो हम अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. ऑल राइट, so that's all for today, students. We have covered two news articles, from global leaders signing treaties to students correcting posture. Both remind us of one thing: health is what? Health is a shared responsibility. So whether it's protecting the world from pandemics or protecting you and your neck from pain, it starts with awareness, action, and care. So next time you pick up your phone, remember, sit up straight, take a break, and maybe even share this podcast with a friend. Until next time, students, stay curious, stay healthy. Bye bye.